AI caregiving tools can help parents in many small ways. They can remind adults about medicine times, suggest bedtime stories, or answer simple questions quickly. In that way, AI can feel like a helpful assistant in the home. But parenting is more than remembering facts or making lists. Children need warmth, patience, and understanding. They need a real person who can listen to feelings, notice worries, and give a hug when a hug is needed. AI cannot truly understand a child's heart. Think of AI like a clever flashlight. It can shine light on a path and help show what is nearby. But it cannot walk the path for you, and it cannot choose where the family should go. Parents still make the important choices about values, kindness, safety, and love. AI can also make mistakes. It may give answers that sound confident but are not correct. It may miss the special needs of one family or one child. That is why adults should check AI's advice, especially for health, safety, and school matters. Used wisely, AI can save time and reduce stress. A parent with less stress may have more calm energy for play, reading, and conversation. That can help the whole family. But the best parenting still comes from human care, careful judgment, and love that grows day by day. So AI in parenting is best seen as a tool, not a replacement. It can help with the little jobs, while people do the most important job of all, helping a child feel safe, seen, and loved.